Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about font and mark in HTML5. Look at this code. I'm going to add this code, family font and family size. Family font means what type of font do you like to use, and family size, the size of the font. Inside the paragraph, I have to add style. Because we didn't write any CSS style, that's why we need to write a family font and family size here inside the style on paragraph. Style, family font. We have 3 different type of fonts. I choose this one and I put semicolon, and after that I put font size 100 pixel, semicolon. See, this is a new element in HTML file. We change the font and size of the paragraph. Now I'm going to change family font from serif to fantasy. The font is changed here. What does mark element do in HTML? The mark element is used to highlight text inside of another element, such as a paragraph, list, or table text to which the mark element has been added is considered to be particularly relevant in a specific context. The mark is inline element and we are using in a semantic. I'm going to write P. Inside P, I'm going to write this is a, and now put mark. Inside mark, new, and after closing mark, element in HTML5. When I double click, see, this is a new element in HTML file and the new text is highlighted.